Hi, happy week 6. I'm very excited to be wrapping up this course because I'm just so much closer to finishing my degree. Finally! I'm doing my best to get through this last week of work. I got my discussion posts in a day early, yay, and I submitted enough responses to be finished. So if you want to grade my discussion posts early, I'm good with that. I don't know if that's maybe breaking the rules, like maybe you're not allowed to grade them early, but just a heads up if you can. I'm good. Feel free. I also submitted my closing bold statement a couple of days ago, so that's in there. Can only imagine what a crunch you're facing with 7 grades per student due in like a week. That's probably a nightmare. So my project check-in question is about my final presentation. I'm just not sure exactly how to structure it since my project already is a slide deck. Like, should I make a slide deck about the slide deck, like completely make something new, or should I just present and walk through the project as if I were showing you the details? I've been, obviously I have the course guide open and I'm looking at like the main bullet points of what we should be incorporating to the presentation. So I'm thinking that this would work best if I just have my project slide deck open and I answer those points from the course guide as I, scroll through the slides here and talk about why I did this and what's the need for that and where this came from and yada yada. But probably only sharing the materials that I created, like I made, this is a PowerPoint video that I linked in there, and I made the scavenger hunt thing here. So if I just, open a couple of links so that you can see work that I've done personally, or is that like not really cutting it, and should I just make a completely brand new slide deck and just answer the bullet points that are in the course guide and maybe take some screenshots of this deck. Yeah, probably should have asked that about a week ago, but doing the best we can, right? All right, that's everything for now. Let me know. Thanks so much.